Ganda naman nun.
What's up, guys?
Paano naman ako? May rock pa.
Alam mo ba, Mix, sa kadami-daming campus tour at saka launch shows na kasama ko si Dre, first time ko siya marinig na mag-rap.
Malupit.
Malupit.
Malupit. Salamat po.
Malupit. Sobrang init, di ba? Ganon. Pero of course, Dre, now it's your time to promote any of the songs that you wish to promote and share your social media accounts as well.
First of all, ako po si Dre Sugay, and thank you so much for having me here today dito sa Mix na Ball Nagig. That song that you just heard, hindi ko yan released eh.
Oh! Wow! Exclusive pala tayo dito, ah!
It's gonna be releasing this January 10. It's called Paano Naman Ako. So please save nyo na po sa Spotify, sa Apple Music, and all digital streaming platforms. And syempre, supportan po natin ang Incognito. Panoorin po natin by ABS-CBN Studios. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the show, guys. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, Dre Sugay. First of all, let's give it up for
Dre Sugay! Thanks, Dre! Thanks, Dre!
Okay.
Okay,
Hi! Ayan, may mga tao pala, akala ko wala eh. Napakatahimik. So ayan guys. So ayan, so maraming salamat pala sa pagpunta nyo, ano? And syempre, Happy New Year sa ating lahat. Sana maganda yung buwan ng bagong taon sa ating lahat. Have a blessed New Year and...
yeah! Ano bet, Vinsoy? Ano bet? Ano bet?
Ang lupit ng pinibigyan kanina, sabi pa niya, Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone!
Once again, give it up para kung ano natin, Vinsoy!
Thank you so much.
Binsoy, syempre, before we let you go, I'm sure meron kong mensahe para sa mga Team Binsoy na nandito ngayon sa Vista Mall TV.
Hi, Team Binsoy! What up, what up? So alam ko, na ano, grabe, sobrang thank you sa pagpunta nyo dito. Alam ko yung iba malayo pa, pero pumunta talaga kayo dito para makita ako. And maraming salamat guys, I love you!
We love you din daw, we love you din daw.
Sabihin nyo, I love you too in 3, 2, 1!
I love you guys, I love you!
Okay, once again, Vista Mall, let's give it up for...
Vinsoy!
Bye guys, I love you!
Guys, and support my platforms, marketing all platforms. Thank you! Thank you, everyone.
Alright, so far, syempre, before we let you go, we need to of course, promote all your social media platforms and also anything you wish to promote. Go ahead, Mama.
So please support me on my career, guys. And please support my social media accounts, marketing on all platforms, Facebook, TikTok, and IG. Yun lang, guys. I love you all.
Mark Malika! Mark, thank you so much! Thank you, Mark. Kapit ng mga pamilya si Mark, maraming salamat.
Grabe, napakaganda ng performance ni Ashton, pero hindi lang siya makakasama natin today. Of course, let's go along now na kay Annalyn Salvador! Sorry, natika na. Na-confuse ako. So, Annalyn, nag-crash out. Hello,
Annalyn, hello. Okay, ang tanong muna natin kay Ashton. Ashton, ano ba ang panalangin mo this 2025? More work, oo. Siyempre, more blessings, di ba? Yes. Annalyn, baka may message ka sa ating mga kapamilya.
Ayun. Hello mga kapamilya, I'm Annalyn Salvador po. I'm inviting you guys to watch Incognito and support Kuya DJ. Hindi ba natin na-miss si Kuya DJ sa TV? Ang hina, isa pa, hindi ba natin na-miss si Kuya DJ sa TV? Ayun.
Yes, I love it. Thank you guys so much for being here. Ashton Salvador and Annalyn Salvador. Thank you guys so much. O, diba? Si Annalyn, taga-hit talaga ng crowd. I love it.
Nag-relate lang ako as a host naman.
Oo, siya dapat yung host ko. Yung kaka-host ko, diba? I love it. Okay, so again, Vista Mall, let's all give it up for...
Baka may pahabol pa.
May pahabol ka.
Annalyn, oo, baka may pahabol ka.
90s na lang.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Guys, maraming salamat. A classic, a river, Maya classic. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Yes.
Ito si Kobe Brown, guys. Gusto niyo ba yung bagong hairstyle ni Kobe? Bakit sa kanya, diba? Oh, diba?
Salamat, salamat.
Pasok sa color of the year. Both
Kobe
mag-move.
Brown.
Kobe Brown.
Kobe Brown din siya.
Kobe, baka may mensahe ka para sa mga kapatid natin today.
I just want to say thank you guys for coming out today, and please keep supporting Incognito. Thank you po.
Alright, again, please come on the gig. Let's give it up for Kobe Brown!
Thank you guys.
Thanks, Kobe.
Thank you so much, Kobe. Thank you,
Sa mga classic,
Oo.
ganda naman ang kantang yun.
Thank you so much, guys.
Galing ni Viberino.
I go to all shows of
Yes, go to all shows. So, makasama na rin talaga. May mga athletes na si Kobe. Alright.
Parang nagsabi na rin, di mo namin nasulit. Make sure na rin, kumita ko ng message ka sa mga kawagin natin ngayon.
Ayan! Hello sa mga believers ko nandito to support me kahit sa mga... Ayan, sa mga believers ko, sa lahat ng mga supporters, sa mga nag-perform kanina at sa mga magpa-perform na. Excited na ba kayo? Yes! So, syempre, supportahan po natin ang Incognito. For sure ako, papanoorin ko talaga.
Yes.
Yes, sana guys, kayo din supportahan niyo kasi sobrang exciting na to. Kaya enjoy the rest of the show, guys. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, B. Let's give it
Dylan, maraming salamat. Let's all give it up for Dylan. Ito Rabe, Dylan. Baka naman gusto mo mag-shoutout message mo sa mga kapamilya natin.
Hello po sa lahat po ng bumusita dito, lalong-lalo na po sa mga Jazz Dinong Michelle. Maraming salamat po sa mga fans ko ng iba't ibang fandom na nandito. Supportahan po natin ang Incognito. Happy New Year po sa ating lahat.
Alright, thank you so much once again. Okay, meron pa? Go to that. One more thing. Meron pa bang pahabol?
Panoorin niyo po kami at abangan niyo po kami sa Pinoy Big Brother Big Forever. Napapanood po yan araw-araw.
Alright, thank you so much, Dylan. Let's give it up for Dylan. Iturralde!
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, Dylan. Okay, so syempre. Hey. Rain in the house. Look at all of your reindeers, Rain. Lovely. Jam-packed for Rain, Selmar. Of course, Rain, I'm sure you have a message to all of your reindeers who came all the way here to the gig to see you.
Yeah, thank you po for being here po. And pumunta talaga kayo here nag-gig to support me. Thank you so much, guys. I love.
Baka may gusto ko promote, Rain. Meron ka bang gusto ko promote, i-shoutout?
For PBB Big Forever po, guys. It's always airing every day po. And yeah, future Dynamics Miguel, let's go!
Thank you so much, Rain. Amazing performance. I love it. Please come on the gig. Let's give it up for Rain Selma. Thank you so much, Rain.
Lyle! Jared, baka gusto mo muna bumati sa mga iba't ibang fans ko today dito sa Fiesta Mall.
Hello guys, thank you so much for coming. I see Bensoy, Team Jared, Karen, Joanette. Thank you so much for coming. All of you, I really appreciate it.
You know, Jaren, I was telling the Jarenatics that I can talk like you.
Oh really?
No, but of course, Jaren, congratulations on all the success. I know you have an upcoming album.
Yes, I have
Yes. Okay, go ahead, promote it, Jaren.
I have my official first concert album launch on February 8th at SM Skydome. So I'll just let you guys know.
Exactly a month away,
Exactly, yeah.
Exactly a month away, more or less.
Ooh, oh my gosh, congratulations, Jaren. I'm sure all of your Jarenatics, Jaren crooners, our crooners are going to be there on Feb 7th.
Yes, guys, be there.
Yes, alright. Mr. Mom, again, let's give it up for
Jared Garcia!
Thank
Thank you, Jared. I
Oh,
love
we
it.
have to stop talking like this
I
now
love
because
it. British accent.
thank you. Adore, we have Rain Selmar, Kobe Brown, Jaren Garcia. We also have with us Bruno Nicolante. Pinsoy, Mark Nania, Vibery, Dre Sugay. Yes, Jelry is here with us too.
Once again, Jelray, Dre Sugay, Pinsoy, Mark Naniga, Ashton Salvador, Annalene Salvador, Colby Brown, Vibery, Dylan Idorante, Ray Selmar, and of course,